Just want to make a quick video showing how to remove the windshield wipers on a newer Ford Explorer. I think this is a 2013 model. What you don't want to do is remove this nut and then just bang on it, because the windshield regulator or the wiper regulator underneath will break, and then you'll have to replace it. I forget how much it costs, but it's a pain in the butt. It's kind of expensive. So what you want to do is use a wiper puller, which is essentially like a gear puller. Show it to you here in just a second. First step is just to remove the nut. Now, normally on most vehicles you can just kind of give it a couple bumps and it'll come right off. But if you do that on this Ford Explorer, the newer Ford Explorers, it will break. A lot of the newer ones actually will say use puller on the wiper here. This one doesn't, but we're going to use the puller anyway just to make sure we don't break that regulator. We take our puller, and you can get these at auto parts stores. You can get them online. They usually aren't too terribly expensive. Give it a twist, boom, there you go, it's loose. Show you that one more time. This one. Line it up with the wiper puller. There you go. Both of them removed. Regulator isn't broken. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Thanks.